Starting the car up with sport mode. Let's go. Car sounds good. Small roads here. Quite bumpy here. Suspension is firm. Well, it's okay. No traffic. Let's open the window a little bit. Maybe better to close the window and push the pedal all the way to the limit. Let's take the next one. See if we can catch up with the Audi. That's not possible. Too busy. Yeah, we're close to the Dutch border, so it's a little bit busy here. Let's see if we can make a turn. I think it's a lot of wind noise if I open the window. No. Let's close it. Make it a little bit cooler here inside. Lots of traffic. can make a turn here. All the Dutch people always go off here at this exit, because there are the last gasoline stations here in Germany where the petrol is a lot cheaper. So probably all these cars are going to tap up the gasoline. But not us. M5. Alright, let's try again. Pushing the pedal to the limits. Let's go. Pedals all the way down. It's busy today. Okay guys, here we are again. I'm gonna close the window. We're gonna give it another go. Let's hope the highway is a little bit less busy right now. No, it doesn't look less busy. And it's very sunny. It to the limits. I think this is the max. It's almost 240 on the counter. I think that's the limit. 235, 240. I think that's about it. Alright guys, and that is the end of this video. As you could see, I really did my best on the Autobahn, but it was quite busy. And I did not go faster than, I think, like 240. It was like 230 on GPS. But I also think that's about the maximum speed for this car. Maybe if I had some more space, I could reach like 245. But I think that's definitely the max for this car, because I was really pushing it and it hardly went any faster. So I think 245 is the max, maybe 250, but I'm not sure about it. I have to look up what the official top speed is, but I think 240 was really a decent speed for this car. Fast enough and overtaking most of other traffic. And that is also the end for this video. As I stand here in Germany, it's very sunny, nice summer weather. I hope you enjoyed the video also. Please give a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment below what you thought of it. Maybe you want some improvements. Maybe I can work on it. Just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And I see you in the next video.